Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a channel on Discord in just a few simple steps. First, click on your server in the left sidebar to open it and view the channel list. Your server opens in the main view, showing all the text and voice channels it contains. Next, click the settings icon beside the channel you want to remove, in this case the test channel, which opens the channel settings page. The overview tab loads by default, displaying the channel name and description fields. Scroll down the left sidebar and click Delete Channel, which brings up a confirmation modal explaining that deleting a channel is permanent and cannot be undone. Click the Delete Channel button in the modal to confirm, and Discord removes the channel from your server and switches you to the next available channel in the list. If you can't see the settings icon beside a channel name, you might not have the right permissions. Only server administrators and members with Manage Channels permission can delete channels. Once a channel is deleted, all its messages and history are gone permanently, so make sure you've saved anything you need before confirming. If you delete a channel by mistake, there's no undo button. You'll need to create a new channel with the same name and settings from scratch. And that's how to delete a channel on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.